and more coins. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn while you learn about a crypto project. How do you access this Coinmarketcap learn and earn? First of all, you can see these three lines at the top right. Click on the three lines, take you to the menu option, then you click on products. You scroll down, you will see learn and earn. Click on learn and earn. Then when you click on learn and earn, it will take you straight to the learn and earn page. As of the time of making this video, there are no available projects that we can earn while we learn about it. So meanwhile, this video is as a guide, and I will show you how you can also get information immediately when a new project comes out, so that you can quickly come and be part of it. So in this place, you will provide videos with detailed explanation of the project that you are learning about, and after the videos you will be asked questions. That you have to complete the quiz that are about 10 questions concerning what you have learned already. So it's advisable that while you are undergoing the lesson, you keep pen and a paper beside you, so that you can jot down important points that are likely to be asked in the quiz. After you have completed the quiz, you have to fill a form where you'll be required to put your Binance UIDT. I will make a video on how and where to get your Binance UID code from Binance app. After that, you submit, and some project will ask you to follow them on their social media page and the rest. And after you have done that, maybe provide proof for them, then you submit and you are good to go. All you have to do is just to wait until they distribute the coin to all the people that have successfully answered the quiz correctly. So to know which quiz or which product or which project to learn, so that you can earn part of it. You can see this one says learn. You learn this, you cannot earn anything from it. Like this one, you can't earn anything. For you should be looking at the one that said earn. You should know that the campaign is still on. You click on it, but unfortunately maybe there is a mix-up. This campaign has actually been concluded, it has ended, but it's still having end. So just to show you, so you can click on subscribe so that you get information when new projects to learn and earn. So you can see these are the lesson. Once you are done partaking in the lesson here, before there will be a place where you will be asked to partake in the quiz. So after that, you fill the form and submit, and that's all. So thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your